Hey peeps, heavy duty reviews coming at you. This is the Smith and Wesson top brake safety hammerless 38 Smith and Wesson. It looks way different than it did before. I used this and some chemicals and some B9 nickel stripper and stripped all the nickel off of it. And then I basically took a steel brush to it and got all the rust. It was very rusted. The nickel was chipping. It was just a mess. And now I was going to re-nickel it. I might still re-nickel it. I've still got the solution, but it kind of looks really good like that, like it is, you know. I don't know, you know, it's almost a mirror shine. You know, there's no rust on it anymore. Gonna give it to my wife. I've even got the original box that it goes in. And it's got the original grips and the black hard rubber grips, but it's also got some mother of pearl grips that went with it. So here's all the innards. I had to order a couple of parts because they were not in great shape for the internal parts. So they're soaking in oil right now for when I do, and that's the finger guard, or trigger guard, I mean. And yeah, I'll probably put it back together tomorrow and decide what to do before then. I also have this gem dandy. It needs some work. It's a Smith and Wesson American Sportsman knife. It is stainless, made in the USA. But as you can see, the brass and the blade itself, as well as the Smith and Wesson logo on the sheath, the leather sheath, real nice. Needs some work. I'll get some of this blue undergun cleaner and some quadrupot steel wool and clean it up, and then some Renaissance wax, and it'll be good as new. So that's all I've got for now. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow.